Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your LearnWorlds courses, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unpublish a course in LearnWorlds? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unpublish a course in LearnWorlds anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes your courses are available, sometimes you're going to put them on hold while you work on it, or maybe you closed out the enrollment. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your LearnWorlds dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my LearnWorlds account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and unpublish one of your courses, here on the left side, you're going to click on courses. Once you do that, you're going to see all the courses you have inside LearnWorlds. You can see I just have this one. And in order to unpublish this course, you're going to go ahead and hover over these three dots and then click on edit course. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you to the course outline, and to unpublish this course here on the left, you're going to click on access. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the course access. So you have a lot of different options. So generally, if I'm going to unpublish a course, I'm going to click here on draft and then click on save. Okay, so now this course is in a draft mode. So if someone goes to the link, it's just not going to work. So there's actually a few other options. Another option is you can put here coming soon and then click on save. So basically the difference between coming soon and draft, the course is not public. They're not going to be able to see the order page, the thumbnail, the course, none of that. It's not available to anyone except for you or your team. If you put it in coming soon, they're going to be able to click on the link and it's going to show the course. So let me show you what that looks like. I'm going to click here on preview. Okay, so now you can see here is the course landing page, but the order button has been removed. So this is a coming soon. So they can read about the course, they can read about the chapters, but they're not going to be able to order. There's no order button. And if you go back here to paid and save, let's go ahead and preview this again. Okay, now you can see it's basically the same page, but it has an order button. So maybe if you're going to be doing pre-marketing, but you don't want anyone to buy the course yet, you're going to be sure to put it here on coming soon. And then lastly, if you're going to unpublish it and you know you're never going to use the course again, you can actually just simply delete it. So if we go back here to the course manager and we hover over those three dots, you can click here on delete course. This one I generally wouldn't recommend using, because if you delete the course, you're not going to be able to copy it to set up a new course or a similar course. Also, you never know if you're going to end up using this course again in the future if your audience is asking for it. So this is the last option if you're just simply looking to unpublish it. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unpublish or remove a course from your LearnWorlds Academy, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.